If someone wishes for good health, one must first ask oneself if he is ready to do away with the reasons for his illness. Only then is it possible to help him. What if I told you it is possible to turn back your genetic clock? That you can reprogram your DNA to get healthier, recover faster, reduce inflammation, and slow down the aging process. This is not the stuff of fiction, but the quest of scientists since the days of Mendel, the father of genetics, through the time of Crick and Watson, who discovered the double helix structure of our DNA, down to the hundreds of scientists involved in the Human Genome Project and research which continues to this day. An exciting new field of scientific research called epigenetics, from the Greek epigenesis, has revealed that there are many factors outside of our genes which affect their function. In fact, epigenetics means on top of or outside of the gene. And this area of science refers to the many influences outside of a gene which cause it to express or function properly or not. These factors include many things that are difficult to control, such as air pollution and toxins in food and water. But most of the things that affect our genes are within our control, and we influence them without even knowing it. Lifestyle, diet, even our thoughts exert tremendous influence upon our genes. There is a way to harness the power of your genetic destiny. ACTIVZ, the world leader in scientific proven epigenetic products, has developed a trifecta of products to maximize your genetic potential by intentionally influencing the modifications occurring to your DNA and genes. Now you can reprogram your DNA to offset the damage it has suffered and get your genes back operating correctly and in balance with your body. One member of the ACTIVZ line of epigenetic products, currently available in a limited number of countries, is called Genomics, short for genome or gene expression. It was developed in collaboration with and based upon the pioneering scientific research of world-renowned scientists in the fields of genetics, free radical biology, bioengineering, and quantum biology. These scientists are associated with such respected research institutions as Arizona State University, Argonne National Laboratory, and Pathways Biosciences. One scientist, Dr. Joe McCord, is well known as the co-discoverer of a powerful antioxidant enzyme, superoxide dismutase. He also played a role in the development of a product which was featured on the well-known television news program ABC Primetime for its role in reducing oxidative stress. This chemical process that occurs naturally in our bodies has been compared to the rusting of an engine, which causes the engine to break down. Our bodies rust as well, due to the toxic chemicals that form inevitably just by the air we breathe and the foods we eat. This rusting of the body leads to disease, mental and physical malfunction, and is the leading cause of aging. By standing on the shoulders of such giants as Watson, Crick, and Dr. McCord, Genomics has been shown to be much more potent than that early rudimentary product featured on ABC Primetime. It not only reduces oxidative stress, but it increases the body's production of NRF2, the most important protein you've never heard of. And its job is to regulate our survival genes that protect us against cellular damage caused by oxidative stress. But NRF2 needs to be activated to work, and Genomics is the most potent activator in the world. The next product in the trifecta is Link. It contains the most bioavailable form of butyric acid, sometimes referred to as a God molecule, due to its ability to create new brain cells, heal damage to the gastrointestinal system, and strengthen the immune system. Dr. Joseph Maroon, a world-renowned neurosurgeon, has referred to Link with its unequaled ability to deliver these benefits as the holy grail of supplements.
Link is a product that I take daily to enhance my gut-brain interaction. The gut becomes extremely important in terms of our overall health. in terms of the microbiome and how we metabolize and digest food and the various neurotransmitters and neurochemicals that are made in the gut that affect the brain.
The third member of the ACTIVZ trifecta, Optimend, works synergistically with the other products to epigenetically downregulate inflammatory cytokines in order to create a healthy immune response and inflammation levels throughout the body. Dr. Sanjay Gupta has referred to the chronic inflammation caused by the world's unhealthy diets and lifestyles as a world on fire. This low-grade inflammation is difficult to detect, but is now considered to be a primary cause in most major diseases and health problems.
You know, silent inflammation could be called death by 1,000 cuts in the sense that you don't know what's going on, you don't feel anything, and yet because of an injudicious diet, lack of exercise, lack of sleep, it causes an inflammatory response in our blood vessels, in our brains, in our joints, which is the common genesis of cancer, heart disease, stroke, Alzheimer's disease, and other diseases of inflammation.
ACTIVZ takes the breakthrough blend of the trifecta to bring your body into balance by activating your genetic potential. Wouldn't we all love to run longer and recover faster? The trifecta from ACTIVZ is scientifically proven to strengthen your immune system, reduce inflammation, slow the aging process by activating your genetic potential. Become what you were meant to be with ACTIVZ.